Make money with Bitcoins even if you're a total newbie is something I'm gonna show you today, and you can profit this way with Bitcoins even if the worth for the Bitcoin going down or up. But first, to not miss out on any of my money making tips, make sure that you click the subscribe button and the little bell below so you get notified instantly when I upload new videos. Okay, so let's now get into it. So here we are inside iCoin Pro, where you can pre-enroll for free. You can do that through the link below this video, and then you have access to free training about how to profit with Bitcoin and so on. And this is a business where you learn to invest and trade and sell Bitcoins then. Here's resources you can check out: your contact manager, your genealogy. But this, you don't have to sponsor anyone if you don't want to, but to make more money and faster, you can choose to sponsor. You have all marketing materials here. Here you have some banners and so on, and here that you can choose to use. And here's some how to get lead generation traffic, and so if you want to upgrade, you go there. Now the first membership level and more inexpensive costs just $9.95 a month, but the first time you start your membership you pay $29.95, but that's just the first month. All following months you pay just $9.95, and this fits anyone, no matter experience. If you're a total newbie and don't know much about Bitcoins, how it works and how to make money with it, it fits you. And it also fits if you're more advanced, then you can just jump ahead in the training and get into the pieces of the training that you need to learn about. But if you're brand new, you should follow the training step by step from the beginning, and make sure when you have logged in that you join, when you upgrade to that you join the Facebook group. There's a lot of great training there and advice where you can ask any question and so on. And here you access your different trainings. Now the earnings are calculated every Wednesday, so you can choose to get so here's the free training you access when enter as a pre-enrollee, and here's what the training includes: buying your first Bitcoin, how to send and receive cryptocurrencies, how to use wallets, your first money making strategy, and then glossary and safe links. So here you have a link to a forum as well. Here's to iCoin Pro chat box when you upgrade to Pro and so on, or if you join at that level at once. Yeah, training archives and a whole lot of different stuff. And you choose to promote it. If I didn't mention it, then you get people put under you even if you haven't sponsored them. And then they first will be pre-enrollees, of course, and then when they upgrade, you get when they get to become a paid member, you make money. So if you want to get started for free access, free training, and pre-enroll, then click the links below. And thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.